What is up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I have something a little bit different than what I usually do. I have a short little tutorial. So what we're going to be doing is turning this bicycle and we're going to make it sound like a supercar. So yeah, let's do this. So what you're going to need is this. You're just going to need a bike and water bottle. So what you want to do with the water bottle is take off the lid. Then you want to just smush up the water bottle like this so that it's flat. So it should look something like this. And then what you're going to want to do is in every bike, this is the back wheel, and between the back wheel and the body of it, there's this little gap right here. So we're going to be putting this water bottle in between that gap, and what's going to happen is it's going to be ricocheting off of this and the tire, and it'll sound super cool. So let's go ahead and put it in. Okay, so it is almost, okay, so it is in now. So now what I'm going to, should look like this. So this gap is completely closed off by the crushed up water bottle. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my little brother.
Hi.
This is his bicycle, so he's going to drive it over to the front porch and back, and it will sound like a supercar Lamborghini. So the water bottle is in. Let's check this out. So as you can see, totally sounds like a Lamborghini or just any type of supercar. So the water bottle is, going up against the wheel and that little space bar. Wow! Wipe out. Alright. So this is just a neat little, trick to make your bike sound super cool. Thank you for helping me out today. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.